Welcome to Scriptico. Today, we're diving into the world of JavaScript callbacks. If you're building dynamic applications that need to fetch real-time data, like a weather app or a live sports dashboard, this video is for you. We'll explore what callback functions are, how they work, and why they're essential in JavaScript. A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function, executed after some operations are completed. This allows JavaScript to handle tasks like reading files or making HTTP requests without blocking the execution of the program, ensuring a smooth user experience. JavaScript runs in a single-threaded environment, meaning it can only execute one command at a time. Callback functions help manage asynchronous operations, ensuring that the code continues to run smoothly without waiting for tasks to complete. This is crucial for maintaining a responsive and efficient program. Let's look at a simple example to understand the basic structure of a callback function. In this code, the greet function takes a name and a callback function as arguments. After greeting the user, it calls the callback function. Callbacks work by passing the function you want to run after some operation as an argument to another function. The main function then executes the callback at the appropriate time, such as after a delay or once a task is complete. Here's a more detailed example with a simulated asynchronous operation using setTimeout. In this example, fetchData simulates fetching data after a 2-second delay. The callback function logs the data once it's received. In real-world scenarios, you'll often need to handle errors. A common pattern is to pass an error as the first argument to the callback function. Here, the read file function reads a file asynchronously and calls the callback with an error if any or the file data. As applications grow, using multiple nested callbacks can become complex and hard to manage, often referred to as callback. Here's an example. This code is difficult to read and maintain. To solve this, modern JavaScript provides promises and async/await syntax, making code cleaner and easier to handle. Promises represent the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation and its resulting value. Here's an example using promises. Async/await syntax simplifies working with promises. Here's how you can use it. This approach makes asynchronous code look and behave like synchronous code, improving readability and maintainability. Callback functions are fundamental in JavaScript for handling asynchronous operations. While they offer a powerful way to manage asynchronous flow, they can become complex and hard to maintain. Using promises and async/await syntax can simplify your code, making it cleaner and easier to manage. Understanding these concepts will help you write more efficient and maintainable JavaScript code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials from Scriptico.